This is a demo video for the SpotOn tip cleaner and multi-tool. It comes packaged together, as you see here, in a combo pack. This includes the SpotOn nozzle cleaner, which provides a blast of compressed air in the field for cleaning nozzles. To use it, simply pull the plunger all the way out, then compress the plunger until it's latched and clicked. It's now charged with compressed air, which can be released by pressing the red nozzle. The SpotOn tip tool is a multi-tool for the sprayer. It's a 4-in-1 tool. It includes a brush, fold-out plastic pick, a spanner wrench, which is used on nozzle caps and check valves, and a utility hook on the end, which is useful for disassembling nozzles. The spanner wrench can be used on the nozzle caps, which can become stuck from dried pesticides. It's also useful for check valves, loosening and tightening the check valve cap. I'll remove this nozzle. The utility hook is great for taking the filters out. The filters can become difficult to remove once they're fully plugged with debris. It comes right out with the utility hook. You can then use the brush to clean the filter. I'll now take this nozzle apart. This is an air induction nozzle. Air induction nozzles usually have more complex internal geometry and they're more difficult to disassemble. The utility hook, again, is perfect for taking this nozzle apart. You can then use the plastic pick to reach down inside to help loosen debris. We also have our SpotOn nozzle cleaner, which is perfect for providing a blast of compressed air backwards through the nozzle to loosen debris, like so. Once the nozzle is clean, it's reassembled, placed back in the cap. The back side of the utility hook is great for pressing the gasket back into place. Now you're ready to get spraying.